Hello and welcome to Hand Built. Today we're going to fix some rust in a door.
Oh no, Rusty, piece of shit. Got everything.
So before we start, I have changed my mind again. I just can't hold it in there. Anyway, I'd be a bit more smarter, whatever, about this build. As you may know, I was thinking about going LS1 in my 260Z, but I figure, what's the point of putting that in there if I can't use all that power? Because if I put it in there, it's going to use up all my budget, and I won't be able to put stronger drive shafts and diffs and all that sort of stuff in it. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to start by making everything strong first. Probably the first thing I'll do is diff and half shafts. I'm also going to buy a nicer set of wheels, so that's the plan. I have a spare L28, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep running the motor that's in it. I'm just going to put a new head gasket in it and tidy that up. But I'm going to slowly over time build up a nice little strong L28 with triple carbs. I'm building this thing to have fun with, and I've got to be smarter about it. So yeah, that's the way I'm going to go. So I have already removed the door skin from the door shell because we've already been through that in the last episode of removing the hatch skin. So it was the same process. Few little things that I had to cut through there with the angle grinder just to free it up, but doesn't matter. So what we've got here is a rusty corner. So I'll just flip it over. As you can see, I think they've been a bit bog happy with it, whoever did this previously, but it's mainly just that corner. But unfortunately, it's also eaten away at this corner here too on the actual shell, so we're going to have to fix both sides. So I'll get cracking on that. Why am I doing it the hard way? Well, there we go. That took about half an hour or so. Profile pretty much right. Obviously I've got to cut the old piece out first. As long as I can get this line here straight the whole way along, I'll be happy. So I'm just going to go ahead and tack weld it in with the MIG because it's easier and quicker, and then I'm going to TIG weld it afterwards. This is another good reason why it's good to take your door skins off to repair them, because someone's just filled up a big dent full of bog and haven't even worried about trying to get the dent out. So while the skin's off, I'm going to try and flatten that out a bit so it won't have anywhere near as much body filler. So I'm going to tack this in. Once it's tacked in, I'll refit it to the door shell to see how it fits. I've got to do a bit of trimming to get it to fit right because it's overlapping there a little bit. But that line's pretty straight. Actually looks straighter by eye than what it does in the camera. But it's definitely straight because I've had the straight edge along it. Straight edges don't lie. And neither do my hips. But as you can see, that edge follows the contour of the door shell, so that should be right. But after I've finished and tacked the put the door skin back on the shell, I will put it back on the car to make sure that that's going to match. Yeah, so now I'm just going to clean up the area where I have to weld inside and out and prep solid up, and I'll dig it in. I cannot tell you how much easier it is to weld when you can see through your welding mask. I bought new visors, new what do you call them? These things. Bought new ones of them so I can see, and it's so much easier. Anyhow, I'm gonna grind this down and dress it up a bit. So I've got to get all the paint off, so I can see what I'm working with to get this door flatter than what it is. It's got a massive big hollow spot there and a high spot here from where I welded it in. So I've got to shift the high into the low. And then it's all ready to put back on. Before I put it back on, I've still got rust to fix in the door shell. So still a fair bit to go yet on the door. I'll leave it at that for today. I'm trying to keep videos short so I don't bore you guys to tears, and also it makes it a lot easier for me to download on my shitty equipment. So yeah, I'll come back and we'll finish doing the door skin another day. So thanks for watching. If you could subscribe and share and like and all that stuff that you usually do on your favorite YouTube videos, that'd be great. So I'll see you next time on Hand Built.
Oh no, Rusty, piece of shit.